Hey guys, welcome back, and this is how to use a Google Calendar. So from here on the Google Calendar, first thing that you will see is this blue icon, which is the present date, and this red line, which is the present time. And now in order for you to add a task, let's say I'm gonna add 3 a.m. to 4 a.m. I'm gonna click on it, and you could drag it down to whatever timeline that you prefer. Let's say I'm gonna go for 1 hour, and you will have an option over here to make it an event. So from here on the event, you can just simply add a event title. Let's say I'm gonna go for project 1, and from here, if you want to be detailed, you can adjust this one, and you can add someone as well, and you can add a Google Meet video conferencing, add a location, and add a description. This will be depending on you, and you can go for the more options over here, which this will provide you a more option page, and just simply select save if you are done. Now if you want to create a task, as you can see over here, and now if you want to create a task, you can just simply click and drag the timeline again, and you can go for task over here. And after that, as you can see, let's say the task is make a sandwich, and after that, just simply go ahead and provide a description if you prefer. And after that, just simply click on save, and it will be on the task. So guys, as you can see, you will have an option here to uncheck this one, and you will have it removed, and you can categorize it over here. Now another one is you can just simply select and drag, and you will have appointment schedule over here, and you can add a title over here. And let's say I'm gonna go for meeting 1, and go for set up the schedule. And after that, you will have an appointment duration over here. You can repeat it weekly. I'm gonna go for does not repeat. And after that, you could just simply provide a scheduling window. So this will be the maximum time of the appointment and the minimum before the appointment start. And after that, you can just simply provide the book appointment settings over here. And after that, just simply click on next, and you should be able to provide the booking page photo name, location, and the description over here. And you can just simply provide the link over here or something. You will have other options as well, and click on save, and you should be able to have a meeting appointment. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.